Hi crafty peeps! Do you love secret hiding places? Then keep watching this video if you like to know how I made this vintage pile of love letters with a little secret. So the fifth project for my 7 days of Valentine is a vintage Victorian stack of love letters that is actually a little keepsake box. This project was a lot of fun, and while making it I was daydreaming about Victorian ladies with secret admirers and how they had to hide the little treasures they were given by these gentlemen. Well, anyways, you can do your own daydreaming while watching this tutorial video. And if you like to watch the other 5 die Valentine projects in this series, there is a link popping up right now that will take you to the playlist of this Valentine series. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial video, and let me know what you think about my project in the description box below. If you have any questions, please ask them. And I will get back to you at the end of the video. In the meantime, this video will be a mix of me talking and some music and fast forwarding. Otherwise the video will be far too long and I don't want to take up a lot of your time. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial video. This is an envelope that will go somewhere in the middle of the stack, and this is my top envelope. I distressed it all the way. So, and I already have a stack prepared so far. So this one will go up, this one will go, and then I need one for the bottom. Where's my one for the bottom? Here's my one for the bottom, and I have to do that one as well. So I have some cardboard in there. So I need to distress only this one. I have a scrap piece of paper here. And this stamp. Oops, and this one. Now I have this really old scissors. You see it? It's kind of a scallop. It gives me kind of, this one is the scallop part, but this one gives a push stitch. So take a little bit of white around the edge because I like that. Inking these up with just a little bit of vintage photo. So they are not that stark white. And then I also will take a little bit of black, just a little bit of black. Gives just a little bit of shadow so you can see it. It pops a little bit better. I will show you here. You see here there's a stamp here and here also, and the other ones not even. I didn't even bother because you don't see them anyways. This was my front envelope, so that needs to stamp. also have this marks. And this one goes underneath here, and this one goes over top. Gluing this onto my envelope. Shut. And mostly it's about these parts that need to be shut, because the rest will be on my stack and won't be seen. But if you don't glue this, then it will stand open a bit. So the top and the bottom one I will be leaving off, and I'm going to figure out where my hole is going to be. So I need to go through all my layers. Just remember, I wanted to have it stick out here a bit, so you should make your lines well within there. And also you have to see what's underneath where your line could be. So this one needs to be a little bit more in. Doing it all again, because I will see this part. Cut just a little bit outside of those lines. So I have to cut through all of these stacks. Remember, I do have my top and my bottom layer, and also the extra layer, and this one as well. You see, this is not very nice. Rip up this and I'll push that on. around with some book paper just to finish it off so it doesn't have any raw edges. So now I have my back piece, and when I look at it I don't like how white it is, so I need to do something with that. Then I have my extra pieces, my front cover, this comes later, my top piece, and over that my extra top piece to make it even more prettier, as you see. And also I made a hinge, so that goes over the top here, and then my front cover will be glued on that. So I will be attaching these. I also like to decorate this a little bit more. Last envelopes shut. This is the bottom one. I asked my husband, because he has a really great handwriting, to write an old address on this envelope. Aside, I made a hinge on my top piece. That's gonna be glued directly on here, but first I'm gonna attach my front. And I also asked my husband to write my grandmother's name on there. So I'm gonna attach this. I will be covering this up with some lace, so you won't see this later on. Don't put it exactly on the hinge, because otherwise it won't open and close anymore. So there is my stacked letter box. So now for some more decoration. I found a little frame and a very old picture of my mom. So I will see if I will get this on here somehow. Some flowers maybe. bigger one. Okay, that might be cute. So far so good. I have some holes here, so I will let this dry pretty well before I'm gonna do some more work on this. I want to thank you so much for watching my video, and I also want to thank all the people that subscribed in the last few weeks. Thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. And don't be a stranger, ask questions, and if you have any suggestions for projects, please let me know. I hope you will have a great Valentine's Day with your loved ones, and I will see you back with my next projects. There are still 2 projects coming for the 7 days of Valentine. Check back regularly. I always upload my videos on Thursdays. So thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye bye everybody!